Now, we learned about different meal times throughout the week. But what fun if you do it all by yourself and don't get to invite anyone. Hence why in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have the new word called dəvət etmək. Dəvət etmək. Dəvət etmək is you got it. To invite, to send an invitation now, or to ask over. Let's see how we can use it in phrases and in sentences. To invite friends, to send an invitation letter, or to ask someone over or to invite someone over. How? That's how we say it in Azerbaijani. Dostları dəvət etmək. Dostlar, friends, to invite friends, da friends. Məktubla dəvət etmək. Məktub is a letter. Məktubla with the letter. Technically, to send an invitation letter. Evə dəvət etmək. How do you ask someone over? It's usually to your home, right? That's why it's literally that. Evə, to home. Ev, home, house. Okay? Let's see some sentences. Now, sabahki tədbir üçün qonşuları və köhnə sinif yoldaşlarımı dəvət etmək qərarına gəldim. Let's see what this person did. I decided to invite the neighbors and my old classmates for tomorrow's event. Sabahki tədbir üçün, tədbir, event. Sabahki, the one that is tomorrow, which is tomorrow's. Üçün, we know that, it's for. Qonşuları, the neighbors. Qonşu, neighbor. Qonşular, neighbors. The neighbors. Köhnə, old. Sinif yoldaşlarımı, my classmates. Köhnə sinif yoldaşlarımı, my old classmates. See, yoldaş is sort of mate. Yoldaşlar, mates. Yoldaşlarım, my mates. Yoldaşlarımı, da my mates, basically. Alright? Dəvət etmək qərarına gəldim. Literal translation is, I came to a decision of inviting. But the real way, I decided to invite simply. Okay? Another one. O, layihənin uğurunu qeyd etmək üçün bütün komandanı evinə dəvət etmək istədiyini dedi. Lakin əvvəlcə hər kəsin uyğun vaxtını öyrənməyi xahiş etdi. A long sentence. Let's translate and then break it down. He said he wanted to invite the whole team over to celebrate the project's success, but first asked to find out everyone's availability. Let's see. Now, you know, O can mean he, she, it. I chose he here. Layihənin uğurunu qeyd etmək üçün. To celebrate the project's success. Layihə, project, uğur, success. Layihənin of the project. Uğuru, the success of. Layihənin uğuru, project success. Qeyd etmək üçün, to celebrate, like literal translation, it means to mark, basically. Now, bütün komandanı, the whole team, evinə dəvət etmək istədiyini dedi. He said he wanted to invite over. Evinə, to his house, basically. Ev, house, evi, his, her house. Evinə, to his, her house. Okay? Lakin, but, əvvəlcə, first, hər kəsin, everyone's, uyğun vaxtını öyrənməyi xahiş etdi. Asked in this case, you can like literally question ask. That one is soruşdu. But here, xahiş etmək, to ask nicely, politely, that's why I use this word xahiş etdi. You see how I'm saying it? You write xahiş, you say xahiş, because it's easier during the pronunciation. Now, hər kəsin uyğun vaxtını öyrənməyi xahiş etdi. Asked to find out everyone's availability. Uyğun vaxt means suitable time. In this case, availability. Öyrənməyi, to find out. Xahiş etdi, asked. Let's read it one more time. O, layihənin uğurunu qeyd etmək üçün bütün komandanı evine dəvət etmək istədiyini dedi. Lakin əvvəlcə hər kəsin uyğun vaxtını öyrənməyi xahiş etdi. He asked he wanted to invite the whole team over to celebrate the project's success, but first asked to find out everyone's availability. Cool beans? That was the word today, dəvət etmək. Let's see. You can't get away without that, Jock uses. He tried to dəvət etmək me to a meeting that could have been an email. Bold move. Now, don't forget to check Master Azerbaijani app, available in App Store and Google Store as well, and masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in going to learn